Ever stared at a stack of bills, a digital mountain of payments looming, and thought, there has to be an easier way? Especially when you're using a modern, streamlined platform like EQ Bank? You're not alone. We've all been there. Juggling multiple logins, remembering account numbers, and trying to avoid those dreaded late fees can feel like a full-time job. But what if you could consolidate those payments, bring them under one roof, and manage them with just a few clicks? That's where the magic of adding billers to your EQ Bank account comes in. Now, EQ Bank, as many of you know, has been making waves in the Canadian financial landscape. Known for its high-interest savings accounts, no-fee banking, and generally user-friendly interface, it's a popular choice for those looking to simplify their finances. But beyond just saving and everyday transactions, EQ Bank also offers a robust bill payment system. And if you're like me, you're always looking for ways to streamline your routine. So, let's say you've got your usual suspects, your cell phone bill, your internet, maybe your credit card, and now you've just signed up for a new subscription service, or perhaps you've moved and need to add a new utility provider. How exactly do you get that new biller added to your EQ Bank account? That's precisely what we're going to dive into today. Forget the frustration, forget the endless searches through help menus. We're going to walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can manage your bills with ease. First things first, let's address the fundamental question, why even bother adding billers to EQ Bank? Well, the answer is simple, convenience and control. Imagine logging into one single platform to see all your upcoming bills, schedule payments, and track your spending. No more jumping between different websites or apps. No more scrambling to find your account numbers. Everything is centralized, giving you a clear overview of your financial obligations. Secondly, EQ Bank's user interface is designed to be intuitive. This means adding a biller is generally a straightforward process. You won't need a degree in computer science to figure it out. But, as with any online platform, there are a few nuances to be aware of, and that's what we're here to clarify. Alright, let's get down to the practical steps. Grab your device, whether it's your phone or your computer, and log into your EQ Bank account. You'll land on your main dashboard, which gives you an overview of your accounts. Now, look for the Payments or Bill Payments section. It's usually prominently displayed either in the main navigation menu or as a quick access button. Once you're in the Bill Payments section, you'll see a list of your existing billers, if you have any. And somewhere on this page, you'll find an option to add a biller or add new payee. This is where the magic happens. Click on that button. Now, you'll be presented with a search bar. This is where you'll start typing the name of the company you want to add. Let's say, for example, you want to add your cell phone provider, TELUS. Start typing TELUS into the search bar. As you type, EQ Bank will start suggesting matching companies from its database. This is a crucial point, accuracy is key. Make sure you select the correct company from the list. If you have multiple accounts with the same provider, double-check that you're choosing the right one. For instance, if you have both a residential and a mobile account with TELUS, they might be listed as separate billers. After you've entered your account number, you might be asked to provide additional information, such as your name or address, depending on the biller. This is to ensure that your account is properly linked. Follow the prompts carefully and provide the requested information accurately. Now, here's a helpful tip. Some billers might require you to enter a nickname for your account. This is for your own convenience, allowing you to easily identify the biller in your list. For example, you might name your TELUS account Mobile Bill or Home Phone. Choose a nickname that makes sense to you. Once you've entered all the required information, you'll usually have the option to review your entries before confirming. Take a moment to double-check everything. Make sure the company name, account number, and any other details are correct. This is your last chance to catch any errors. If everything looks good, click the Confirm or Add Biller button. EQ Bank will then process your request and add the biller to your account. You'll usually receive a confirmation message or email. Now, let's address a few common issues that might arise. Sometimes, you might not find your biller in the search results. This could be because the biller is not yet supported by EQ Bank, or it might be listed under a slightly different name. If you can't find your biller, don't panic. You have a few options. First, double-check the spelling of the company name. Try variations or abbreviations. If you still can't find it, you can contact EQ Bank's customer support. They can help you determine if the biller is supported and guide you through the process. Another common issue is entering an incorrect account number. If you're unsure of your account number, check your latest bill or contact your biller directly. Entering the wrong account number can lead to payment failures or delays, which can result in late fees. It's also worth noting that some billers might take a few days to process your payment. Therefore, it's always a good idea to schedule your payments in advance, especially if you have a tight deadline. Now, let's talk about scheduling payments. Once you've added your biller, you can schedule one-time or recurring payments. This is a great way to automate your bill payments and avoid late fees. To schedule a payment, simply select the biller from your list and choose the Pay Bill option. You'll then be prompted to enter the payment amount and the payment date. You can also set up recurring payments by choosing the frequency and start date. One of the great features of EQ Bank is its ability to send you reminders before your bills are due. This is a fantastic way to stay on top of your payments and avoid any surprises. Make sure you enable these reminders in your account settings. Now, let's talk about security. EQ Bank uses state-of-the-art security measures to protect your financial information. This includes encryption, firewalls, and fraud detection systems. You can rest assured that your data is safe and secure. However, it's always a good idea to take your own precautions. Use a strong password, avoid sharing your login credentials, and be wary of phishing scams. In conclusion, adding billers to your EQ Bank account is a simple and convenient way to manage your bills. By consolidating your payments under one platform, you can save time, avoid late fees, and gain better control of your finances. Remember to double-check your entries, schedule your payments in advance, and take advantage of EQ Bank's security features. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.